Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So today we are going to learn Python input output basics. So okay, let's start. We have been writing the simple statements like print hello world and getting the output. It's just a example of output, and or we have done this also. A is equals to and print the value of a comma a, the syntax. You'll get the value of a, or you can do it like this also. uh, Print value in double commas plus STR A, which just converts 10 into a string but gives the same output. You can see this same output. Okay, so output formatting. This is a new topic. Uh, let's take two variables A and B, assign them some values, and print the value in curly brackets. Print the value of A is curly brackets and B is curly brackets, and then we write dot format a comma b. This simply means that a in this will be printed in this bracket, first bracket, see the cursor, and b, value of b will be printed in second bracket. You can see the output. It's just a simple logic. This is default. And when we do the same, a and b assign them value, and when we don't let the curly brackets empty and use some values in it like this 1 and 0, the dot format indexing A has 0 index and B has 1 index, and so on. 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. So A is 0, so wherever in the curly brackets there will be a 0, A will print there only, not in first, just like above as when it was empty. But now we have formatted it to 1 and 0, so A will be printed in 0 and B will be printed in 1. So you can see the output. Let me show you. Dot format as index 0 comma 1, just a comma b, just like same. So when you write in curly brackets, wherever you write in curly brackets 0, wherever, it doesn't matter after 1 or wherever, the value in a will be printed in at this place where this is written. Value of a will be printed at this. Sorry, let's get back. We can also use keywords for printing in dot format, just like print hello and in brackets name and greetings. These are two keys which we have given in the curly brackets, and dot format name is equals to Satish. We have assigned the keyword name a value. You can see it on the cursor. Name has a value of Satish. Name Satish. So wherever there is keyword name in print, the dot format will say the name has value Satish. So it will print Satish at the key where name is assigned. I mean, wherever there is a name key, the output format will print Satish as name is equal to Satish. And greetings, good morning. This is also a key, greetings. So wherever it is greetings, it will print good morning. You can also do one more. What can you do? Just like anything. Bye. Maybe bye. And we have to specify in dot format also. Comma. UI is equals to come again, maybe if you want. And when we run it, look, you can see the output. Come again. It works through keyword. So and we can mix them also by indexes and keyword. You can see the story of 0, comma 1, and other. But whenever we use keyword, we have to assign it a value. So dot format 0, comma 1, Bill and Manfred, as Bill has 0 index and Manfred has 1 index, and other is a keyword obviously. So wherever we write other, it doesn't matter. So other is equals to George. It will print other, and this is in dot formatting. Any queries you can put in comments. Python input, it is one of the good topic, and you must be waiting for it. It is very simple. As num is equals to input, we just have to use the word input to take the input from the user and want whatever we want to print the message, and then print num. Okay, this error is because we have just used num. In previous versions of Python, this would work, but it is Python 3. This version. So just check your version. It's just a little difference. Done. You can see the output. It's enter a number as we have written as message, and it's wanting us to write the input. So we just write 18, print the num. It's printing the num which we have given to it. It has taken output input successfully. Thank you. Do like and subscribe. And for any queries, you have the comment section. Thank you.